What should I look for when auditing an Amazon PPC account? You should be looking for things that are not obvious to someone that is within that account for a lot of time or for some time at least. Why am I saying that is because what I'm seeing on Noemi, and we just onboarded an amazing pet brand recently, and what I'm seeing in their account is that they are so close to the account. They already know their margins. They're super well prepared, very detail oriented. They know to the bit for each product, how much what is the profit. They're aware of that, which are the products that are negative on profit that they should be rethinking or redesigning or not even anymore allocating ads. So they're very well prepared. They are the type of brand that I absolutely love working with because they have all these details. They know all those things. So I have all that information and my team can go through and then, okay, no, clearly, hey, they already know all these things. So whatever we're doing next, we can base on our information on that. But since you're asking about auditing an Amazon PPC account, very often what I'm seeing is that most of the time people are going to think of, okay, what are the obvious things? And the obvious things might be that they are running sponsored product ads, but they are not running sponsored brand and sponsored display ads. And strategically, I remember very first time when we were talking with this brand and they were considering us to take over their ads. They were saying, hey, look, this is what we have so far. And what is your recommendation? And my recommendation right away was that I understand that you're not running sponsored brands and sponsored display ads, but I also see that as sponsored products, you're shrinking and your margins are there. And yes, you're gaining more profitability and more profitability. However, what I saw on my end is that they just optimize towards profitability while they optimize also their best performing keywords toward profitability, which you might not see on the short term. That is like, that's a huge win, that's a goal. But on a longer term, let's say on a 6-month time frame, what you're going to end up with is you're over-optimizing yourself from even being seen for the most important keywords that are bringing your traffic and sales. So whenever we are auditing accounts, we would look into, okay, so this is the strategy right now. Let's zoom out for clarity and let's not say the same things that any other agency or account manager will say that, oh, you have sponsored product now. Let's double down on sponsored brand and sponsored display. I was like, I get that you want to become profitable. I also get that right now, everything that is bringing you traffic, bringing you healthy sales, you're just minimizing that even more and you're going to cut yourself out of the market share. So my goal to answer there, it was, let's make sure that your sponsored products at first are really working the way they're supposed to. And then if they do, great, we're going to duplicate success in sponsored brand, sponsored display. You see, most of the time, whenever you're auditing an account, one might be asking for this checklist on what is the obvious that you should be doing. Yes, you're looking for, is the account bleeding currently? What is the bleeding on the account that I can cut? By bleeding, I mean everything that is outside of strategy or it's not relevant anymore to the product or it's not relevant at all anytime to the product that you would stop right away, right? Well, that is normal and that is something that you should be looking for. I believe that when it comes down to auditing accounts, really have to have a sense of, if I'm going to continue this moving forward for the next 3, 6 months, a year, what's the standing of the account in 1 year instead of just this quick, let's audit quickly and these are quickly the things that we should be doing. So it's more of a strategic thinking, 5 steps ahead rather than this is the scan right now and great, you have the scan, but what does that scanning mean? It's going to be important. So those are the things that I personally look for when auditing accounts.